Hi, hello, namaste. Myself Kishan Bharadwaj from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today we are going to study about Introduction to Planning and Modeling from Software Engineering and Project Management subject. So, planning and modeling are the fundamental processes that helps organizations, individuals visualize, analyze and optimize their strategies and perform operations. These techniques enable systematic decision making and problem solving by leaving data simulations and predictive models. So coming to definition of planning models. Planning, the act of defining goals, identifying resources and outlining the steps required to achieve desired outcomes. So modeling. The modeling is the creation of simplified presentations of the complex systems or processes to understand their behavior in dynamics. So coming to advantages of planning and modeling. So planning and modeling improves the decision making. Planning and modeling provides a structured framework for evaluating options and making informed decisions and reduced uncertainty. They help to anticipate and migrate risk by simulating potential scenarios and outcomes. So, in the third point, enhances efficiency. Effective planning and modeling can optimize resources allocation and streamline processes. So, coming to disadvantages of planning and modeling. So, complexity. The planning and modeling can be time consuming and require significant expertise to execute efficiently. Uncertainty. So, real world factors may not be fully captured in models, leading to inaccurate predictions and resistance to change. Stakeholders may be hesitant to adopt new planning and modeling approaches, hindering the implementations. So, coming to advantages, here we had improved decision making, reduced uncertainty, and enhanced efficiency. In the disadvantages of modeling and planning, we have complexity, uncertainty, and resistance to change. So, coming to example of project management, initiation. It is a defining the project scope, objectives, and stakeholders of the particular project. In the second step, planning, developing a detailed plan including timelines, resource allocations, and risk management. So, in the third point, we have execution, implementing the plan and monitoring progress, making adjustments to as needed. So in the next slide, we have importance of accurate planning and modeling. So improved outcomes. So the importance of accurate planning and modeling improves the outcomes, and accurate planning and modeling increases the likelihood of the project success and achieve desired goals. So in the cost saving point of view, so they also help to identify and migrate potential issue early, reducing the need for the costly rework or recommendation. So the third point is competitive advantage. Organizations that excel at planning and modeling can make informed strategic decisions. So coming to challenges in effective implementation. Data quality. Inaccurate or incomplete data can undermine the reliability of planning and modeling efforts. So, organizational culture, resistance to change, and lack of buy in from stakeholders can hinder the adoption of new planning and modeling practices. Resource constraints, limited budget, time, expertise can make it challenging to implement effective modeling and solutions. So here the diagram given in this region shows the scenario model of the planning and modeling function. So here external part, and the discuss part, suggestion part, and detection part, and the selection part has been given in the picture. Strategies of overcoming limitations. So, what are the different strategies used for overcoming the limitations in the planning and modeling activity? So, data management. Invest in data quality, integration, and governance to ensure reliable inputs for planning and modeling. So, what happens is when the data quality is integrated to the project is good and it ensures the reliable inputs, so the planning and modeling will be accurate. So when there is the data given to the project is unreliable, so it becomes difficult to the project for efficient modeling and planning approach. Change management fosters a culture of continuous improvement and provides training to encourage the adaptation of new planning and modeling practices. So what is this is change management is nothing but it fosters the continuous improvement and provides training to encourage the adaptations of new planning and modeling approaches. So coming to resource optimization, so remote resource optimization is also one of the strategies for overcoming limitations in the project planning and modeling. So priorities projects leverage technology and seek external expertise to minimize or to maximize the impact of planning and modeling efforts. So here these are the three steps which have been required for overcoming limitations, which are data management, change management, and resource management. Integrating planning and modeling with decision making. So some decisions are being taken in the planning models and modeling approach. So data driven decisions. Planning and modeling should be grounded in accurate up to date data to the informed decision making. Cross functional. Effective planning and modeling requires input and collaboration from diverse stakeholders. Acceptable. Plans and models should be regularly reviewed and updated to respond to changing circumstances. So here are the 3 points which are data driven, which is planning and modeling should be grounded in an accurate up to date and to inform decision making. Cross functioning, and this is nothing but effective planning and modeling requires input and collaboration from diverse stakeholders. Adaptable, and plans and models should be regularly reviewed and updated to respond to changing circumstances. Conclusion and key takeaways in this project planning and modeling approach. So plan strategically, develop a clear vision and outline the step to achieve your goals. Model effectivity, create specific present representation to analyze and optimize your processes, and integrate with decision making.